So here's our problem. We've got a sun visor that can no longer stay up or back. It just droops down and flops back and forth. So I went to a dealership and they wanted like $150 for one. So I decided to come up with my own hack on this. So here's how I did it. This is a lady's large hairband. You could probably get this at a drugstore or something, or order it online. Like I got a whole pack I ordered online. Then I use a key ring, and you can get a key ring you're not using, just pull this off. And then I'm using this is a suction cup with a hook on it, which you could get at a hardware store, and this is usually used to hang artwork on glass. Now the first thing we're going to do is take this ring and put it on this hairband. So I'm just going to spread the ring right here where the two pieces connect. Open it up like that. Put the hairband right between it. Kind of weave it in there. And there we go. I take this sun visor off the little clasp here. And I take the lady's hairband, put it around the sun visor just right at this end. Make sure that it could fit on the clasp without interfering with it in here. You see the key ring is right here? I'm going to take this suction cup with the hook on it. I'm going to put the visor as high as it could go, like there, and hook it into key ring. And now I'm not going to put a lot of tension on it because I don't want to make the hairband extend itself. I'm going to go as far as I can without it extending itself, and then push it on there. The suction will keep it onto the glass. And there you go. It solves having to pay $150 for a brand new one. Anyway, that's my little hack. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you can use it. Thank you for watching.